Hey everyone, Rick here with the Ditch Pig. Today's video is a clip from Wheeling Weekend 2023 High Voltage. I chose a clip of the truck going up Horsepower Hill. That video is a half an hour long, and typically the average duration of viewing on that video is only about 6 minutes. So a lot of people who have watched that video haven't seen that part yet. So I figured I'd clip it and post it up. If you're watching this and you haven't seen the whole video, I'll put it in the description, the link, so you guys can check it out. It's a pretty good video. And if you enjoy this content, hit that like button for me. I really appreciate it. It gets my content out to more people so they can watch it. Also, according to YouTube, about 88% of my viewers that watch my content aren't subscribed. So if you could hit that subscribe button so that you get the notifications to let you know when I post a new video, that'd be great. All right, so we'll get to the clip. I hope you guys enjoy it, and we'll see you next time.
Yeah, it just means he's going to send it.